My paper is evaluation of classical and marketed Ayurvedic anti-diabetic drugs formulations in type 2 diabetes mellitus. Actually, so many companies have come up with many products, and patients are confusing which you want to take and who to do not take, and what is the validations. And I may try a little bit trying to validate and how it is working in this presentation. This is some of the paper cuttings. The diabetic care is a big issue, not only India, but in global. These are my presentation will be prevalence, clinical profiles, patient attitudes, prescription patterns, safety and outcome of classical and marketed Ayurvedic anti-diabetic drugs formulation in type 2 diabetes. These facts about diabetes. Prevalence of diabetes in adults worldwide was estimated 4% in 1995, and it rise to 5.4% by 2000. But some national urban survey in India, it is 12.1%, and I think some of the studies in Calcutta, it is 19%. Somebody told 19%. So it is, I think it is more than 10% of the populations, adult populations. So what is the health impact on diabetes? The lack of awareness about the diabetes combined with insufficient access to the health services and essential medicines can lead to complications such as blindness, amputation, and kidney failure that you heard from Dr. Mandal. So what happens in diabetes mellitus? And there is impaired insulin secretion that increase hepatic glucose productions, decrease glucose utilization, beta cells failures, adipocytic insulin resistance, reduce secretins resistance in gastrointestinal tracts, increase glucose kinase, enhance the glucose reabsorption in kidney, and neurotransmitter dysfunctions. And what is Ayurvedic understanding on diabetes? That kaphaja meha. Diabetes I can two ways, because it is a ikhumeha, which is an kaphaja meha, it is sadhya, and which leads to madhumeha, that is bataja prameha. And where it is agni, mandagni, ama, gara, dusi visya, dasabruddhi, kapha, dusya, 10 dusyas, sratas, and medagni dusti and dhatupaka. These are all our understanding before fixing any medicines. Then how it happens, this is a brief mechanism. That's how it will happens, and how increase cellular permeability, increase vascular dilatations. Next, why this study actually we conducted, and because there is secondary failure to the modern anti-diabetic agents over 2 years, 20% of our hospital cases have this of these problems, and the cost of the therapy is more than 2,000 Indian currency, and people are hesitant to take allopathic drugs for a long time. Indian peoples know what is not working. No? And insulin and insulin analogs were also reported as associated with higher cancer incidence. Pioglitazoles have so many informations that having cancer. And inconsistency of use of diabetics drugs can lead to risks of renal, IDG, circulatory problems, and death. And poor patient compliance to the allopathic drugs, that not able to the hypoglycemic shock, and these are the all barriers people not want to accept, and they came to us. And what the prevalence of diabetes in our OPD? That is 7% of the OPD strength, type 2 days since 2 years. And 21.5% general public have the first choice to treat diabetic in Ayurveda, because we are not come up with good potential drugs, but people, there is a good people awareness regarding public awareness for taking Ayurvedic drugs for diabetes. And 73% of diabetic patients prefer effective Ayurvedic medicine for their treatment, either as a food supplements or as a drugs. And if you go we conduct some studies, people are taking modern anti-diabetic drugs with Ayurvedic drugs also. And the attitude, what is the attitude of the patient? 57% people seek our treatment due to poverty and cannot able to bear modern anti-diabetic drugs. Doctors charge and laboratory expenses, because most of the below poverty lines and most of the peoples are poor. They cannot able to afford. And 25% patient thought Ayurvedic drugs are safe and modern drugs are carcinogenic. and 15% patients seek Ayurveda treatment as modern drugs are not acting, and doctor want to introduce insulin therapy. This is also very vital because most of the doctors, if you're not acting, then they switch over to insulin therapy. And what is the treatment strategy of our that we have do personalized therapy considering his Agni, Ayu, Shakti, Ayu means age, Ahara Shakti, Vyam Shakti, Amadasa, Kosto, habits, complications and comorbidity. And therapy and comorbidity, we are do the main therapy and therapy to the comorbidity. Step up therapy, we'll give Dipanopachana along with Anulomono and anti-diabetic drugs. And step down therapy, if the glucose level is maintained, then other drug will be stopped. Then what is our study? Our study design is retrospective, observational, and study period is June. That subject is involved 2 to 7s, and treatment design, one is comprehensive care, analysis single hypoglycemic herb care, classical formulations, and marketed formulations. And when we take any press case, there are so many factors like Agni, Ama, Garadusi Visha, Kosto, Vyasana, and comorbidity complications are involved in the body chemistry. So that develops a type 2 diabetes over times. There are many tools used to treat it. So not a single drugs, my experience is that not a single medicine can act for diabetes. We have to give a group of medicines. And this is also we introduce Panchakarma when before we need it requires Shodhana. Then medicine used in comprehensive care. What medicine actually we are using in our that we want to increase the Agni by Agni Tundi Bati, Sanjivani, to Amopachana, Triphala Churna for Olunamana, Bilwadi Gulika for Gorobiso, Amlips or Leaf 52 to increase the hepatic functions, and Ashwagandha Churna because lastly there is a neural dysfunctions. So I propose this is Ashwagandha Churna also we are administrating, and Purannava Sabo or Purannava capsules that also we are introducing because there is a renal functions also involved in diabetic pathology. And single herbs that we are using, that Karela, Guduchi, Mesasringi and Methi. Next, classical formulations that Vasanta Kusumakarsa, Triphala Churno, Chandraprabhavati and Nisa Amalaki Churno we are selected. Next, marketed compounds, this is Ambli Plus, Granules, Dibicons, Madhurakyak Davar, Madhumihari Vaidnath. And these are all company medicines that we choose for administrations. And these are my AS6 distribution of observed diabetic patients. And we got one patient, and that lastly it is IDDM. This it cannot be controlled with our medicines. And this young, this where is it? कैसा काम करना है? Upper one. Yeah. So these the young patients, they are IDDM. Before they came to our clinic, but later on we switch over to insulin therapy. Next, this range of blood sugars that our patients coming to, there's a history of disease, that fresh case and this known case. And this one, these are all history of medications, secondary failures with diet and herbs, without medicines. These are all disease presentations, only diabetes, comorbidity like osteoarthritis, and complications like neuropathy, blindness, retinopathy. And then these are my prescription patterns, that comprehensive care, single herbal compounds. These are the treatment of comprehensive. One case study I just given, that you see how long and this treatment response over the days of 50 days. What my observation, that our Ayurvedic drugs is not acting so suddenly. If you give today medicine and tomorrow blood sugar you will monitor, you will not get result. So good appreciable result. But over the time, that I want to share, that over the time the glucose is maintained. And this is another graphs I will show you how the Karela, Guduchi, Methi and Mesasringi are acting. And here what I observe, Karela are more potentials, and compared to Methi, Mesasringi, and Guduchi is acting less. And This is another, we get very tremendous good result in Ambly Plus granules because we are giving 2 teaspoons. So I think it is adequate dose. And compared to other formulation like, before one what? And that's a classical formulations response. Nisamola Kichurno, it's not got good response. And we'll get Chandraprabha also not good response, but we'll get very good response in Basanta Kusumaka Ros, even also some of the insulin-dependent diabetes cases. And please see, you have to know the disease very well. You have to see the creatinine levels because some of the comments and some of the people tell that Basanta Kusumaka leads to end-stage renal failure. So that please look over this. You see the monitoring the creatinine level always. And comprehensive care along with diet and exercise. And I see, every patient I told to 45 minutes walking and minimum 3 days. And I just we tell to reduce the weight. And this is a tremendous result. Even some after 3-4 months of therapy, we stop the medications, hypoglycemic herbal compounds. Even the blood sugar is maintained. This is a things to educate the patient, and also you tell to cessation of the smoking and other alcohols like that. Then we will get very good result. Even without drugs, also the blood sugar is maintained. It's my experience because and single drug therapy can be option for low range of sugars. If you low means below 200 or below 300s, then you can have a single drug therapy. As well as physician as well as patients are required to control high range of sugar, as it is requires minimum 2 months to reach ppbs below 180. It's my observation. If you just suddenly you think like metformin and other drugs, it cannot be achieved. And Ambry Plus granules is found to be the best hyperglycemic control formulation, as it respond quickly. And Basanta Kusumaka Rasa is found to be better short-term therapy to reduce high range of sugar rapidly. And it is an initiation, more study is required. And thank you.
If somebody wants to ask a question to Dr. Pandit.
Good morning, sir. I'm Dr. Nitin from MP. I just want to add on to what you said and possibly correct or say corroborate with my experience that it's not necessarily we need 2 months to get this. If we ideally combine things in the proper formats, we get it in 15 days also. So I have been able to get it in my personal practice. Yes, it has not been a single herbal combination, that formulation that I'll say.
You know, various, I admit the patient, I am a dedicated worker, I admit the patient in IPD, many cases I admitted, and I see the range of sugar. I administered the drug, and really I not achieved, even fresh diagnosed case, and also those are metformin failure cases, I not achieved actually. Because, but I am telling about the high range of sugar, above 500.
Okay.
And but my experience, if it is low range of sugar, below 300, then it can achieve within 15 days. I am agree with you.
Well,
but when high range of sugar we admitted, we see the creatinine levels in, and we give intensive care in our hospitals, that I not achieved.
There you're right, because I'm talking from an outpatient perspective. And yes,
And because if you have an international forum, I very much confirm. I admitted minimum 30 cases of hyperglycemic. I means blood sugar above the level of 500.
fine, sir. There's no debate on that. I'm just adding from my experience.
No,
And
you are right. You are right. Because if it is below 300, you can achieve in 15 days. Okay.
And,
Because but my experience is that if you give if you see the Agni, that Agni Tundibati and Sanjeevani like that, if you add and Amli, Borley 52 and this type of things, then we'll sort it out early. If only you are strict on methi and this, then you cannot stick. Even the creatinine level will be go high.
Right,
That
right.
gets to complications.
right. And Basant Kusmakar actually enhances it. It is more of a enhancer and more of a, how should I say,
Yeah, you are
a
right.
catalyst in promotion.
That I told, no,
the activity.
that if you, because every patient is not able to buy
Afford.
Basanta Kusmaka
Yeah.
Ras, and hospital is not providing, our government institute is not providing the Basanta Kusmaka. We will provide the Amli Plus, but not Basanta Kusmaka Ras. So we see in some cases, if you administrate Basanta Kusmaka Ras, it is a bioenhancer, and it will, in this case, we will achieve within 3 days.
Right.
Our 500 sugar is come down within 3 days to 200, like that.
Right, right. Thank you.
Thank you.